It's 6 in the morning and time to go to the airport. Buy amazing hotel room. Buy amazing hotel bathroom. Buy amazing hotel room. I'm gonna miss you when I'm staying in a shitty hotel.
Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. It's been a pleasure to have you here.
I appreciate it. It was amazing. Amazing. Unbelievable. If you're ever here, come check this place out. Thank you so much. It was unbelievable. See you next time. See you next time. Cheers. Bye. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Backpack?
Yeah.
Ken?
Yeah.
Safe flight?
Yes, cheers.
See you next time. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. Back where it all started. So apparently can't actually carry tripods, so I gotta put them in my checking luggage. Thank you, bye. If you are flying Cebu Pacific, just make sure you have a check-in luggage at least, pre-purchase it as well, if you are carrying any kind of tripod or selfie stick. So they got something against tripod. Even my Gorilla Pod was not okay. So yeah, let's get some overpriced airport food.
Mexican.
Thank you.
Something else?
Thank you. Alright, as always, we're just gonna change enough money to take Grab and we'll sort it out later. Hello. How are you? Alright, we finally made it. Alright, thank you. Thank you. So today's been the craziest day during this whole trip. I got to Manila airport straight away, overwhelmed by the heat and the number of people and the long lines and the traffic, and I already straight away regret essentially the decision to come here. But you know, I'm moving on, coming here. I take a Grab, takes quite a bit to come here, pick me up, but he comes, picks me up, and because it's like technically should be 15 minutes, ends up being an hour journey because of the traffic. Now, actually, what happened earlier? The airline asked me to take off the mini tripod, the little tripod, on my GoPro and put it in my checking luggage. So I did that, and because the GoPro has become smaller, I just put it in my pocket. And when I came out from the flight in the taxi, the GoPro was in my pocket. It dropped in the back of the taxi, and I left it there. So I basically forgot it there. As I'm checking in, I'm like trying to check in everything, and I'm coming to my room, I realize, holy shit, I don't have my GoPro. So I realized, oh my god, my GoPro is not here. Where did I put it? Did I leave it in the airplane? Did I leave it in the taxi? Where did I leave it? So straight away, go to Grab, and I call the taxi company, and they called the driver. The driver gave me his number, and guess what? Somebody who's sitting at the back saw it and gave it to the driver, and the driver brought it here a few hours later. I was actually outside to eat, but he brought it to my hotel. I gave him some money for his troubles to bring it all the way here, and apparently he appreciated that. So I appreciate him actually bringing it, because you know it's like an $800 or $600 GoPro, high value item. And I had a lot of videos on it, so today's vlog would be nothing basically. So it's been a long day, and you know, people say Manila is dangerous, you know, and people are gonna take your stuff, and this kind of shows that it's not true. I mean, I'm lucky or whatever, but I left my GoPro and somebody handed it in straight away. So don't believe, you know, what you think the media tells you, or what you see, or what you think people are saying. Just come and experience the city for yourself. That way you know the reality. Now, if you watched the vlog from a couple of days ago, you know that I had a motorbike accident and my knees are bloodied and scraped essentially, and I actually need to sort something out for them because they look like they're infected and they look like they're getting worse. So I need to sort something out, but it's just been a long, tiring day, and I cannot wait to sleep. So I will see you guys tomorrow for something interesting.